Welcome back, guys, CryptoFollow channel. Today we'd like to talk about insiders, how we can find that insiders and to build their own dashboards for the future and track these insiders because that information maybe can help us in the future to make money. The idea is it's pretty simple, but will be really useful strategy. And if and when you will build the big dashboard of some insiders, definitely that information will be useful for your own trades, no matter it's a pump or dump, short, long, whatever. Find the token which recently pumped on a Binance or any other exchange. For example, Compound. Token lay down at the bottom, so nobody care about this token. Recently, this token on the daily time frame just pumped at 62%. Who stay behind this pump? Let's take a look at the outcome. So we need to switch UTC time. This one. Go back to the 1 hour time frame, for example. And like you can see, we crash it down, and somehow exactly at around the middle of London session at 4 p.m., the token start pump just randomly 57% in one single day, right? And going in the 4 days, 62%. All right. February 12th, it means somebody or buying exactly at this moment or buying somewhere here. So I need to cut all noise and start looking in the outcome, the wallets who accumulate this token, I don't know, in the range like February 10. So in 2 days range, like February 10th, February 12th. Of course, we can't track the wallets and the players who accumulated Compound on centralized exchanges. If that guys bought on centralized exchanges and keep that tokens on centralized exchanges, we can't track it. Also, we can't track the OTC markets. We go to Arkham. It's totally for free, guys. Highly recommend you create accounts. On Arkham, I got a VIP account, but basically you can use even the regular one. You search the token. This is a Compound. We scroll it down to filters. In filter, we need to choose the time range. So start day, let's say 10 February and 12. So in a 2 days range, I would like to check the transaction. Filter with the 10K, started from the 10K transactions. Done. What I can see next, I need to filter by biggest transactions. The transaction from KuCoin Hot Wallet to KuCoin Hot Wallet, so some transfers inside the exchange, inside exchange here. Interesting moment, 1 week ago. So a week ago, we opened that transaction and see that. 1 week ago, February 10, almost 10 p.m. UTC, February 10. Around here, some account received from the KuCoin over than 500,000 of value, USD value, 38K Compound tokens. So what we do next? We click on this wallet, open the page, and what we can see here? It's just a fresh new wallet. Receive only the Compound over than, at this current moment, over than 500,000. So now let's turn the logic. The fresh wallet, accumulated Compound, 38K at 1783. In average, like 677K USD dollars, right? And imagine if he will start selling at $100, round number. His profit will be over than 3 million. Now copy this wallet, go into here, custom dashboard, create a dashboard, press on the plus, addresses and NT level, let's say balances. Balances, paste this one. And this way we can collect the wallets. We can add the, for example, latest transactions from this wallet. Now go to create alerts and can create alerts, for example, to sell. So this wallet, whose transfer do you want to see? Sender. This one, recipient. Recipient can be any exchange. So if he received the money from KuCoin, I guess he can send the money back to KuCoin or any other exchange, for example, the Binance, for example. We can add it also to the Binance, to KuCoin, Max. What USD value? I would like to track his transfers from 100K Compound. And what chain and alerts going to be sent to my Telegram. So the condition is I would like to track the transfers when this wallet, who own now 38K compound tokens, when he starts sending these tokens to exchanges. It means more likely he will prepare to sell. And in this case, I can or accumulate compound now with this guy and sell when he gonna sell, or just track this wallet and trying to open short when I will see the notification when this guy send the tokens to the exchange. Of course, it doesn't mean when he sent to exchange, he press sell immediately, but in this day or in the next few days, most likely he's gonna fix the profit. So I create alerts created, and I just track it. This is a simple strategy, but of course you have to spend a lot of time. First of all, track some interesting pumps and dumps. You can track even the dumps, right? Create own dashboards of insiders and trade together with these insiders. Guys, I hope you like this video. Share this video with your friends, and don't forget Joe Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.